teachers, parents and students. Parenthood System is a beautiful event. As the 4th standard students of this school is going to perform a beautiful that we have practiced for Christmas at the restaurant.
It's bit noisy here.
We can sit that wicker corner.
Yeah.
Good evening.
Good evening.
What did you like to have?
Can you see your menu?
Here are you. Here.
Bring 2 cups of cold water.
Of course.
Yeah, that's a Hi friends.
Hello.
How are you?
Good, thank you.
Okay. Where was the waiter gone?
Like that. Adriga, could you possibly catch his eyes?
Waiter, please come.
Enjoy the food.
Here are the 2 cups of water.
Okay, thank you.
May I take your order now?
Yes. Bring 2 plates of chicken biryani.
And 2 plates of chicken fry.
Would you care for some salad?
Yes.
Mutton or chicken?
Vegetable.
Okay.
You want anything?
Here are you.
Thank you.
Do you need anything else?
You want the light?
No.
No.
Okay. Here are the salads.
Okay, thank you. Waiter, please come.
What happened?
Sorry, what's your name?
My name is Lakshida.
Okay. Where was the owners gone?
The owners are there.
What's the matter?
The food was good and
Good
service.
service.
Thank you.
Do come again. Have a nice day.